Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to add the heavy hit effect to your clips real quick using DaVinci Resolve 17. It's a great free editing platform. I highly recommend it, and I will put a link in the description below so you guys can go download that for free. So here's our original clip. Alright, now we're going to add that heavy hit effect. We're going to copy this. Let's find our shot. So let's find the frame where we take our shot. Let's cut that right there. We're going to do this all in cut mode, which is the simplest way to do it. We're going to fast forward a few frames. That's where we're going to want to end our effect. Let's blade that again. So we have this clip that we are going to add the effect to. We're going to click on effects here. We're going to add the camera shake first. And we're going to add the Prism Blur. We're going to go over to the right hand side to the inspector. We're going to select on effects. Make sure that you select your clip with the effects that we have applied. Now over here we're going to add some motion blur. We're going to increase the zoom amplitude and the zoom speed. That's about good right there. For the prism blur, we're going to leave everything like that. It gives it kind of a motion blur effect. So this is what it's going to look like now. You can see it kind of gives it that heavy impact effect. You can always mess around with the amount of motion blur, zoom amplitude, zoom speed. You can mess around with all these parameters out in the inspector over here. Thanks for popping in, guys. I hope this will help you guys and your gaming clips in the future.